Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by powering down and disconnecting the AirPods Max, then remove the magnetic ear cushions to expose the mesh. Prepare a small bowl with 70% isopropyl and have a microfiber cloth and cotton swabs ready, because you'll use damp, not dripping, tools. Once done, position the headphones on a soft, flat surface to stabilize them. Make sure to avoid soaking any part. Liquids should not enter the drivers or headband channels, and compressed air is for dust only. Start by gently wiping each ear cushion with a damp microfiber cloth using small circular motions. This removes oils and surface grime. Next, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl to clean mesh and the cushion seam. Work gently so liquid doesn't pool. Once finished, use compressed air for tight creases and the headband channel, but keep distance to avoid pressure damage. Finally, let cushions air dry completely for 15 to 30 minutes before you reattach them. Reattach the magnetic cushions, aligning each magnet so the seals are snug. A proper seal ensures correct sound and noise isolation. Wipe the headband frame and exterior with a lightly damp microfiber cloth and a touch of 70% isopropyl to remove fingerprints and oils. Once done, inspect ports and buttons for residue. If you encounter static or muffled sound, reseat the cushions and allow the parts to dry for up to 1 hour. Make sure no debris sits between cushion and driver. Clean again if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.